Lark Player Full Guide 2026. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Lark Player and explain how it really works. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store and search for Lark Player. Tap Install, or open it if you already have it. Important thing to know. Lark Player does not download music from the internet. It only plays songs that are already saved on your device. Step 1. Open Lark Player. Launch the app and go to the Songs section. If you don't see any music, that means you haven't added files yet. Step 2. Add music files. Download MP3 files from trusted sources. Once saved on your phone, Lark Player will automatically detect and display them. Step 3. Play and organize music. Now you can play songs offline, create playlists, organize by artist, album, or folder. Step 4. Premium option, optional. Lark Player is free, but you can upgrade to premium too. Remove ads, get a smoother experience. Common issue. Sometimes when you edit song details like artist or album, changes may not save permanently. This is a known issue. Final thoughts. Overall, Lark Player is easy to use, reliable, great for offline music. Perfect if you already have music files on your phone. And that's it. Now you know how to use Lark Player the right way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.